I am Auntie Sandra, and today you are going to do spelling. So please get your books and your pencils. All I need you to do is to listen for the sounds that are in each word and write the sounds that you hear. So please go ahead and write spelling on your page, and then you're going to write numbers 1 through to 10. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. The first word is dig. Dig. The next word is fig. Fig. The next word is wig. Wig. The next word is pin. Pin. The next word is tin. Tin. The next word is win. Win. The next word is lit. Lit. The next word is sit. Sit. The next word is dip. Dip. And the last word is zip. Zip. Okay, so it's time for me to check your spelling. The first word is dig. Dig. Did you write dig? Dig? Wow, perfect. Correct. The next word is fig. Fig. Did you write fig? Fig? Wow, excellent. Correct. The next word is wig. Wig. Did you write wig? Wig? Wow, good job. The next word is pin. Did you write pin? Great job. Excellent. The next word is tin. Did you write tin? Wow, amazing. Correct. The next word is win. Did you write win? Correct. Very good. The next word is lit. Did you write lit? Wow, good job. The next word is it, sit. Did you write it, sit? Wow, excellent. Great job. The next word is dip. Dip. Did you write dip? Wow, you're doing great, boys and girls. Amazing. The last word is zip. Zip. Did you write zip? Zip? Wow, perfect. Good job. So if you got all your words correct, that means you got 10 out of 10. And that is awesome. Awesome. If you got any of your word incorrect, please do your corrections. All I need you to do, guys, is to keep practicing. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.